and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be a PR unboxing and haul. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together so we can see some new makeup launches. If you guys are ready to go ahead and get started with some of these boxes, let's get into it. Came over from Lila B. I haven't gotten anything from them in a while, so I'm excited to see what this is. I feel like they have the cutest packaging, so let's see. Their packaging too, like, is super heavy. Look at how cute that is. Has like a little sticker. So their packaging is so heavy on their products. I know that from the last few products that I've tried from them. Like, if I can explain to you guys, it's just like so heavy. So this is the Be Original Cream Foundation. Oh, cool. So this is a foundation shade, so you just swing it open like so. And this is gonna be a cream foundation. Ooh, it feels nice. I'm excited to try this out. I don't know if this is gonna be a good shade match. It looks a little bit light for me, but we will see. I am pretty self-tanned right now. And the next thing in here is we have a retractable cream foundation brush. All right, so this is cool. So here's what the brush looks like. I'm assuming, yes, so you pull it out. And there is the brush. It feels really soft. This would be nice for travel because it does go up like that, so it would protect your brush. So it's a little cute little brush. This is exciting. So thank you to Lila B for sending over your new foundation to me. The next package I have is from Benefit, and this was their package. I am a part of their Club Pink. So they sent over their brand new Brow Contour Pro, and I've actually already played with this. So this is their brand new brow product. They sent me the shade Brown Light, and I don't know if you guys have seen this, but it's such a cool brow product. So it has the different settings here where you can apply the different products. So we have two different brow shades. They also have a define shade and then a highlight shade. Basically, you just push it down and the product's gonna come out. You twist it to make it kind of go up. I think it's such a cool and innovative idea. I will have an Instagram video using this. I've already tried it out on my Instagram, but let me know if you guys wanna see like a dedicated video where I show you how it works. I was actually pretty impressed with it, but let me know if that's something you guys wanna see. All right, so the next package that I have here came to my P.O. box, and this is from My Bagel. I believe I'm saying that right. I'm not exactly sure. It says that this is a makeup removing glove. Ooh, they sent over 3 different ones. So it says here that it is an easy makeup remover that removes your makeup with only water. It leaves no residue behind. It's also a microfiber technology plus water remover, so no chemicals, no allergens, keep your skin babyish. Affordable cost, and a remover glove can be reused for 3 months. So that is quite some time. So let me pull this guy out so we can see what it looks like. I know I've seen a few of these from a few different companies. I've never used one before, but here's what it looks like. This has me really excited to try it out because I love the idea of just removing it all with just water. That sounds awesome. So I will definitely have to try these out and let you guys know. Let me know if you've tried one of these down below. The next package that I got this week came from Wetnwild, and they sent over their brand new Fire Dragon vs. Ice Dragon collection. And if you guys have seen, I already put up a review on my channel of these products. I got them earlier in the week. So I do have a full video where I tried out all of these products. So there's bronzers, highlighters, pigments, there's beautiful eyeshadow palettes. So if you guys want to check that video out, I'll put it up in the cards. I'm not going to bother swatching everything just because if you want to see the swatches, you can head over to that video. The next box that I have here came over from Biore, and it looks like they have some brand new micellar waters. So we have a cleansing micellar water. This is going to help purify your pores, which I need. So the first one I have here is a baking soda. So this is a baking soda cleansing micellar water. No need to rinse, oil-free, just take it all off. That is cool. So I know baking soda is supposed to be really good for your skin. And then there's also a charcoal one. So this is a makeup remover that has charcoal. That's really cool. So both of them are micellar waters. And I know that charcoal is really good to detoxify your skin. So these are really cool. So it says you just wipe them all over your face. You can remove your eye makeup with them, your face makeup. I'm excited to try these out. They are an all-in-one, so you can use it on everything and will be good for your pores. Biore is a really good brand. I really enjoy their pore strips, so I'm excited to try this out. Thank you guys. The next package I have here came over from Global Care Beauty, and they are another really good skincare brand. So we have a gold mask from them. This is a gold peel-off mask. It says gold infused peel-off mask. This is a 20 to 30 minute facial mask. And let's see, it says it has aloe vera, vitamin E that is going to help moisturize your skin. It also has gold and vitamin C to help brighten your skin. So definitely excited to try this out. Probably have to do an Instagram video with this because I feel like that is an Instagram type of product, but thank you to Global Care Beauty. All right, so this next box here came over from Moda Brushes. All right, so we have the Moda Metallics. Okay, so these are brand new brushes. And I love Moda because they're also sold in Walmart, so you guys can find them. So the brushes that we have, ooh, this one is cool. So this is the diffuser highlighting brush. Here's what that one looks like. I love the handles on these as well. So we have the blend. This is going to be a foundation brush. We also have an angled brush as well. And then we have a couple different eye brushes. So we have the eye contour. So this is supposed to be for the crease. And it looks like a pretty large brush. I'll be excited to try this one. And then we also have the eye brush. So this is going to be like an angled eye brush. And then also in here we have a fan brush, so those are always nice to apply your highlighter with. And then lastly in here we have a set. So this is the 7-piece total face kit. So this is with the gold. These look like they're a little bit smaller, so maybe like a mini set. And you have some eye brushes in there, some face brushes. So the set is $19.99, and then the rest of the brushes are all under $10. So they're definitely affordable brushes. Like I said, you can get these at Walmart. I'm not sure if this exact set is available at Walmart, but I will link them down below for you guys if you want to check them out. The next box I have here came over from Fresh. This is so cute. It's all wrapped up all nice. I've actually never gotten a package from them before, so this is really exciting to get something from them. Okay, so it says, are you ready to powder your glow? Ooh, what is this? So it is a vitamin C glow powder, and then we also have a vitamin nectar antioxidant glow water. Ooh, cool. So this is like a makeup setter, a primer, or an instant refresh. So these are actually makeup products. Ooh, and there's a lot of other stuff in here as well. I was grabbing out these packages and there's nothing in there. I was like, oh no, they forgot the products, but they actually laid them down in the box. Okay, so we have first the glow water. So I'm excited to try this out, see what it sprays like. Okay. It smells really citrusy. It smells good. So this is a nectar, so that's why it smells like this. So you can use this as a makeup setting spray or a makeup primer. And then we also have the glow on the go. So this is like a mini guy of that one. So that's awesome. And then we have this one, which is the vitamin C glow powder. I'm excited to see what this one is. Okay, so they actually come as just like little individual packets here. So this is a vitamin C glow powder, a 30-second foaming facial. And I'm assuming you just mix these with water. Yes, okay, so you mix them with water and then you massage in your skin for 15 to 30 seconds and then rinse. So a super quick mask, and there is a bunch of them in here. And I am excited to try out these products. This will be my first time trying anything from Fresh, so thank you guys so much. The next package I have here came over from Perfect 365, and if you guys don't know, I'm actually on their app. So if you go on the App Store and you check out their app, you can actually virtually try on my makeup looks, which is really cool. So I'll link it down below for you guys. So this is Macy and Mia. Okay, so we have a new brand. So this first one is a matte liquid lipstick set. So it has a lip liner and a lipstick. This is in Skylar, so let's see what this looks like. Kind of reminds me of like the Kylie lip kit, like the packaging. Okay, so here is what that color looks like, and then we have a matching lip liner. I'm gonna see what the other color looks like because this isn't something I will typically wear, so I don't want to swatch that one for you guys. So this one is Jessica, so let me see what Jessica looks like. Okay, yeah, so this is down my alley a little bit more. So let me swatch this so we can see what the formula feels like. Ooh, Actually feels really, really nice. And then let me swatch the matching lip liner. So here is a swatch of both of those. The liquid lipstick feels like it's gonna be really, really nice. And then we also have in here, ooh, the Spotlight. So this is a highlighting palette. All right, so let me go ahead and swatch this. So here are the highlighters. These look really, really nice. And ooh, they feel really pigmented, holy moly. Let me swatch, wow, all of the shades for you guys. This looks like it's gonna be a really nice palette. They feel really, really buttery. I've never heard of this brand before. Okay, so here are these swatches. I know I kind of swatched them weird there, but they look really, really pigmented and they feel really, really buttery on my hand. And then the last thing in here is a set of brushes. So we have a bunch of different eye brushes. Looks like they have a really pretty like rose gold look to them. That is a lot of brushes. So thank you so much to Macy and Mia and also Perfect 365 for sending these to me. Like I said, if you guys want to virtually try on my makeup looks, you can check me out on their app. All right, and the very last package this week came over from Nugg. So I see a lot of different snacks in here. So it says, Dear Molly, we hope you enjoy these yummy and natural snacks inspired by our little nuggets. Aw. So we have in here their exfoliating lip smoother. And then we also have a couple of different masks. So we have the De-Stress Anti-Pollution Mask. And then also their charcoal detox mask. I love their little masks because they're so tiny and you can reuse them quite a few times. So we have an oatmeal cookie bar. We also have a waffles. This is a European snack. We have some Nutrithins. Ooh, we got some gum. It's like bazooka gum. That takes me back. A smoothie bowl. That's interesting. Ooh, we got some gummy bears. My husband loves those. And then I'm not sure what this is. Cotton candy. That is too funny. And then a little lollipop. Thank you so much, Nugg. I will be excited to try these snacks and also the products you guys included in here. I love their little masks. And my husband loves gummy bears, so he thanks you for this. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this week's PR haul and unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a dedicated video on any of the products I mentioned, or if you want to know anything else about the products or you want to see them in a first impressions. Let me know. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video before you guys go. Of course, a big thank you to all of the brands for sending over these products to me, and also thank you to you guys for making these videos possible. And I will see you guys in Monday's video. Bye.